I don't want to anymore. This is dangerous. I'm just hanging out here. Who is calling me from Color Guard? Answer it.
It is Linda. Excuse me, we're recording our room right now. Ooh,
Your boyfriend told me he loved me today.
Oh.
Hi. Your boyfriend just called Diana and I answered.
It's video.
I love you.
Why?
Because she's
I'm naked.
We just want to tell you something open.
I'm naked.
Put a towel on.
I don't want to.
Please.
Why?
I want to show you something.
Tell me.
Open it. Hurry up.
Oh my God.
It's 2 seconds. Hurry.
I hate you.
And this is what
You are
final person in our room.
And for all the cheese. 7-2.
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.